don't skip this video because of bad lighting and poor background, because I'm going to share some truly valuable insights that will help in your creator journey and saves much of your hours and even days of your time. It's already been 3 months since I started creating videos and pushing content to YouTube. So far, I've been able to consistently upload one video every week. That was my New Year resolution. In this video, I'm going to share most of my learnings, their sources and resources for you to explore and grow in your own creator journey. No matter YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, the fundamentals remains same across the platforms. But I'm going to focus on YouTube for this video. I'm going to dissect this video into 4 distinct chapters. I'll give the breakdown in the timeline also so that you can directly skip and listen your favorite chapter. For all the serious beginner creators, working on these 4 areas is crucial in establishing your own individual brand and of course playing well the game of retention and long-term presence. Number 1. Thumbnails and brand kit. I spent hours of time in thinking and understanding how I can get that magical recipe, the consistency and similarity of all the thumbnails of my YouTube videos. Now you might be thinking, bro, what do you mean by consistency and similarity? Do you mean all the YouTube thumbnails should look one and the same across the channel? No, I don't mean that. Thumbnails should be relevant to the video, and every video is a different and distinct story. Understandable? Now listen carefully. Here's where all the magic happens. Your thumbnails should look consistent across your videos so that if you publish a new video, the moment your audience sees the thumbnail of your video, they should understand that the video is from you or your channel, even before their attention goes to the name and logo of the channel. If you achieve this, congrats, you are well progressing in the game of trust and credibility. You as an audience might have felt the same with the big creators and channels in the YouTube. The moment you see a video from a big channel, just by looking at the thumbnail, you instantly feel, oh, this video is from that channel. It's just the style that they are following consistently throughout their thumbnail. Now the question is, as a creator, how you can do this? Well, to answer this, there are many factors that will impact the way your thumbnails look consistent. I'll give you 2 game-changing factors for you to get started with, which will have a huge impact in making your thumbnails look consistent across. Number 1, color palette. Choose a distinct color palette for your channel that should speak about the tone and overall niche of your channel. Don't complicate while selecting colors. Choose 1 or 2 primary colors and a couple of supporting colors, and that's it. A typical color palette should not exceed 4 to 5 colors or 6 in some rare cases. And you should maintain your color palette across all your thumbnails. If you don't know how to create and have your own color palette, there are many websites out there which will offer you tons of color palette options and you can just select one. I personally go with Canva color palette. Last Sunday I have figured out this for the first time. I've selected this color palette for my channel, changed my channel DP and banner image. After spending hours of time watching multiple videos and realizing the potential of color palette, I finally changed my DP, my channel DP, from this to this. Now it looks more simplistic with just 3 colors, more elegant, and just captures the eye of the viewer. Number 2, font style. Font style plays a huge role for your audience in identifying your brand. Just look at any brand around you that comes to your eyes and you will find a specific font has been associated with that brand. Sometimes I seriously feel like it's the font that is standing behind the brand and making the brand in your eyes. I certainly don't mean that if you select a classic font style for your brand will become the brand. I don't mean that. Of course, it has its own history, legacy, etc., etc. But for the kids like me who don't know the history, who don't know how huge the brand is, we are looking at the font and we are subconsciously understanding the signature and the hugeness of the brand. So select a font which you personally like. And again, you feel it speaks about the tone and the niche of your channel. So color palette and font style. Maintain a blend, a pattern of these 2 factors across your thumbnails, and you will get that secret recipe, the consistency in your YouTube channel. Next, visual branding essentials. This section is completely for the YouTube because I'm going to speak about logo, banner, description, and home tab, which are completely internal to the YouTube application. YouTube will give you a small circular space where you can upload your logo or photo, which you want your audience to perceive it as the face of your channel. So maintain a simplistic and decent looking logo. By the way, you can change it anytime and any number of times. If a new viewer likes any of your random video and wants to explore more of your videos, that's when your banner, description, and the home tab comes into the game. YouTube creators will use banners in multiple weird ways. A few will put up the niche of their channel so that the audience can understand the channel better. After watching multiple banners of the top YouTube creators, what I noticed is, if a user is watching a banner, he or she has to get an answer for either of these two questions or maybe both. What to expect? When to expect? When I say what to expect, what is the niche of your channel? Is it travel, photography, gaming, vlogs, news, gadgets? What is it? And when I say when to expect, how many videos you release in a week or a month? How does your video release cycle looks like? For me, it's one video per week right now. That's what you can see in my banner also. So prepare a banner of your own in such a way that it should answer either of these two questions or maybe both. A description is as simple as a plain text which basically gives more information about you as a creator or your channel. You can basically add how you started your channel, your hobbies, or anything that you want to let your audience know about you or your channel. And home tab. This is important. Pick any two of your videos which you feel the best two videos of your channel and put them in home tab. Best in terms of views or reach, or maybe it's just your personal choice. Let's actually keep this episode a little short because I'm going to create a part 2 for this video in which I'm going to discuss understanding basic YouTube analytics that the YouTube creators basically see in their YouTube Studio application. Only if this episode reaches to the audiences. I'm expecting 100 likes or at least 1,000 views for this episode so that I can start working on the part 2. So if you ever feel the episode has been useful so far, like the video, comment your feedback, share this with your creator friends and folks who needs to know this, and keep the channel subscribed for more videos every week. This signals me to work more on my videos.